Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Lexus ES350, how to update the navigation maps. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, I'm gonna start out and mention a few things to note. This will be performed on the 2016 Lexus ES350. Before you do update, make sure you have at least 20 minutes to complete the process. And your vehicle should be parked in the garage or some other location that's safe, because you will need to power off the vehicle and power it back on. And also, if you not sure how to do this update or still have questions, please have the dealer do the update. There's little technical stuff involved in this process overall. And number 4, of course, make sure you have the micro SD card with you when you do the update. Okay, let's get started here. You just lift the cover on the Gen 8 radios. So mine have a do not remove sticker covering the micro SD card. So you definitely need to peel this thing out. And also there's some glue here. So definitely want to clean that out a little bit, because you don't want that glue to go into the micro SD when you pop it in. Just be really careful. I'm just gonna rub it off and before I stick it in. So the micro SD goes here. So the micro SD, if you're not familiar, you have to poke it a little bit, then it pops out. So I'm gonna clean the glue out over here first. I assume most of the other people may not have the sticker, but mine have a sticker. I could start, push it one time, and you can pull out the micro SD. Be gentle with it. And this is probably the original one in the system, because mine's had a do not remove. So there it is. Finally focus. Okay, so this is a 2019 map. This is for a Gen 8 radio. And your vehicle is different if it's not an ES. So that's the old one I removed. This is a new one still in the container, which I'm going to take out and put in. Always buy the original. You can buy these at Lexus. And you just pop it in like that. And give another push with your fingernail to make sure it's all the way in. See, it's a little bit more deeper in than before. Then you hit the start button on your radio. Hit it 2 times so you can start your engine. Okay, once you insert the micro SD, then it takes about 5 minutes to copy the media over to the system. Hit the OK button, the blue one over there, to start. Okay. So it takes around 5 minutes, I found out, but I didn't exactly time it. So to keep that in mind, once you finish that 5 minutes, this message will come up. Please park your car at a safe location and turn off the engine and on to complete the update. So that's why it's important for you to not drive this car and do this update, because you can't just turn it off in the middle. So I turn off the vehicle. It's actually parked at the driveway right now. Then I'm going to turn it back on right now. And it says checking map disk in progress. Please wait. Okay, this part takes about 2 minutes to do. Updating the software. Do not turn off the engine. So don't turn off the engine when you do this part over here. Just be patient. It takes about 2 minutes, okay? So it's quite fast if you think about it, but it may corrupt something on the computer if you turn off the engine right now. So do not turn off the engine. That's why I'm repeating this thing. It's very important. So once you do that, it seems to restart the navigation system or infotainment system, whichever way you want to call it. Once it comes up, Now, by the way, you could close the cover now. I don't have any nails here. So this is for the Gen 8 radio, by the way, and it has an ES350. You hit the option key, then you hit map data, and there you see it. It's June 1st, 2019. This is the 2019 edition. So 2019 edition for the maps comes out in 2020. And you can see it covers Canada and the greater parts of the US. Something to note, this one is only for the ES350 because it's a Gen 8 radio. So if you have a newer vehicle or another vehicle way before the time, I post the description I post the info in the description. So if you have a Gen 9 radio, like if you have a RX or GS, they may use a different micro SD. Definitely consult your Lexus parts dealer. I wouldn't buy anything else or clone or something online. So hopefully this video helps you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up. I hope you share this video to help as well too. Please leave a comment to help others as well if you like. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.